Hello everyone. This is the vlog from day 1 of COB revival, which was at Habitat Mumbai. And this is me, ready with all my driving gears and moving straight to Habitat. And as soon as we reached Habitat, we saw Balraj Bhai, the true gentleman, who was busy with all the arrangements, lights, cameras, and various other stuffs. सागर भाई कैसे हो? एक्साइटेड?
एक्साइटेड एक्साइटेड हेलो भाई कैसे हो भाई आप बोर्ड पे सो जाओ आज क्या कंटेंट बनेगा सोचो आप ऐसे जीत रहे हो एंड यू स्लीप
इधर खाली एक मार दे बस हो गया।
पहली बार मैंने बलराज भाई को ऐसे टेंशन में देखा है
मैं टेंशन में नहीं हूँ, मैं नींद में हूँ।
He's been doing light work.
I know
लेकिन भाई हार रहे हैं और
भाई
then he
told
goes
me
to
that
sleep.
you went into full micro managing everything yesterday
No, I mean we enjoy the outcome ना, we enjoy the outcome so much fun. मैग्नस भाई के साथ कंपेयर कर
चलो
मतलब
मुकेश के
आप अगर
जैसे।
मुझे बोलते कि मैं लेट आया तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि लास्ट मोमेंट में मैं भाग के आया, ऑलरेडी मैच ऐसा रुका हुआ है अनिर्बान।
वो भी करना भाई आप you are the guy who can bring in so much here but I know you will be a gentleman and you will do nothing
How does it feel to come back to the same place where you commentated World Championship chess?
Actually this feels like coming back home really क्योंकि इधर ऐसे अच्छे से है ना you don't worry कि ये गलत हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा and there are so many people who care for it like you are there
I think that's the vibe of this place and the people who come over here. It's so sweet always that whoever is the creator.
अच्छा एग्जीबिशन क्या था
Next time के time में मैं कमेंट करूँगा.
मेरा उनका आवाज़ सुनाई वहाँ यहाँ पे रहोगे like तो उनका मजाक उड़ाने
नहीं.
so there are mics no
They'll have fun on the mics.
and then we can invite एक एक करके उनको introduce कर सकते हैं कि ये सर आ रहा है इससे थोड़ा
Let's improvise. See, the only reason I'm doing this tournament is to have fun and to bring back chess and let's have fun.
I think it's been a long road अच्छा किया
But I
Here to defend her title because she was the winner of COB Homecoming.
look at it.
She was also here.
Yeah, but
That's an interesting like if you're playing black and white to white
I shouldn't give out my tips so soon.
oh man
Hello.
Oh, what's up? Guys, don't
I'm so happy with it.
Balraj
है क्या ना? अच्छा सुनो, फर्स्ट और हैबिटेट में लाइव कमेंट्री चल रही है विद ऑडियंस. तो जोएल लाइव कमेंट्री इन फर्स्ट और हैबिटेट. सो आफ्टर द गेम यू कैन कम देयर टाइम पास ठीक है. एंड उसके अलावा फन एंड यू कैन टॉक टू ईच अदर. कैमरा में माइक्स हैं तो फन कर सकते हो.
No, that's not best.
If you don't want to talk, can you ask them not to talk?
Yeah, you can ask.
Don't talk to me, guys.
Headphones. And then we had GM Abhish Matthew, who is here to play an exhibition match with Atul Khatri. So he was here for the inaugural day's exhibition match.
अभी खेल रहे अभी एग्जीबिशन खेल रहे
हाँ हाँ अभी शोधा
ओह नाइस
सीनियर
सर आपको कोई आइडिया नहीं है क्या होने वाला है Oh, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Starting? Start? Yeah, your time is start.
We also had few audience members in the commentary room who were enjoying the commentary live from the venue.
He's playing so well
I don't know what's wrong with
Queen मर रही है Queen मर रही है oh my god भाई Queen मर रहा है
इस टाइम पे चेस आ रहा है.
Here, sir. Can I give it to her? 1-0? Space 1-0. Okay. It's not a draw. Congratulations. Thank you. Oh yes, of course. Thank you.
And then the first round of COB revival begins, where Balraj Bhai was facing Vivek Desai, Prakhar Gupta was facing Anirban Das Gupta, Tracy was facing Vaibhav Sethia, and Samay Rana was against Joel. And then we had an interesting last game of the day, which was between Samay Rana and Anirban Das Gupta, where they were just having fun on the board, laughing, banters, where Samay also did two illegal moves, but he was still playing. And this is what COB is all about: fun, and absolute fun. If you want, you guys can check this game out on the stream of COB Revival Day 1 on Samay's channel. And then we also had a very interesting interview with Anirban and Joel, which we will be putting on our interviews channel. You guys can check that out there. It's a very interesting interview.
I almost beat Joel also, that guy. Just come, Joel. Come.
Don't focus on almost.
Yes. I think my CO is complete. I might not come tomorrow.
Hey, Anirban, you have to come. You are playing tomorrow.
Yes.
I'll just tell you who are your opponents.
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav,
Yeah.
Balraj, and Vivek. Vivek, you have good matches.
Oh, let's see.
Vivek, Tracy, Samay, and Anirban, and Vaibhav. 5 people are fighting. Balraj Bhai, I don't think has a chance. No, I mean, not joking.
No, it's the truth. I can only be an upset for something.
Thank you so much for coming, chat. I love you all, and let's hope for come back tomorrow.
All stars से किसी में कुछ तो हुआ.
I'm happy. I'm fine. I'm enjoying.
मैं तनीर को लेके आई कि वो देखेगा सबको चेस खेलते हुए. मैं आपको बोलूँगी like get me somebody, tell me class or whatever, I'll send him to learn. तो फिर मुझे ये नहीं था कि कोई बोल दे कि बलराज से ही सीख लो.
चलो मजा आया. It was fun, bhai. Thank you so much again. Genuinely. See you tomorrow.
So yeah, this was all about day 1 of COB Revival, and I will be back with the day 2 vlog as well. Till that, stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much.